Hi, in this video I replaced the battery on my early 2011 MacBook Pro with a battery from ifixit. As you can see here, the battery has expanded, causing the bottom cover to become separated from the main body. The battery information showed a capacity of 80% and a cycle count of 1030. The GPU is busted, so I'm always using the integrated graphics. I have had Apple replace the battery and motherboard once before. Here I'm removing the screws. ifixit supplies a screwdriver that you can use. I would wear safety glasses while doing this because the expansion could cause screws to fly up at you. This expansion made it difficult to remove some of the screws. Here is a view of the battery. You can see how much it has burst from its original packaging. ifixit included some stickers, screwdriver, and prying tool along with the battery. Once the battery is installed, calibration is done by letting the laptop charge uninterrupted to 100% and left for a couple of hours before totally discharging the battery. Here I'm using the prying tool to remove the old battery, and I give it a little dusting with some compressed air. After that, it's just a matter of replacing the screws and booting up the computer. Hopefully I'll get many more years out of this. Thanks for watching.